What is going on YouTube? Hidden Back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically in today's episode, we need to continue with the new discoveries that we pretty much figured out in yesterday's and the day before's video. Now, specifically within these videos, you can see if I zoom in really quickly here, you can see we were in the discovery of potentially a fourth breakout coming to XRP, which still stands, as well as the fact that we were forming what appears to be kind of the continuation of an ascending fractal forming on Ethereum here, as well as some of the other cryptocurrencies which we have to look into. You can see on XRP clear as day here, we've actually managed to find a bottom support. That was a big discovery in yesterday's and the previous day's videos here, where after we broke outside the ascending fractal that we had discovered, first it was a symmetrical triangle. We broke out of that to the upside here, hit price ceiling, fell downwards here, and broke through the price floor. Once we did that, we were in for a short, and then ever since we hit this price floor at about 70 cents, we've been floating. Right now on support, it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of retesting this price floor here. And as long as this holds, there's a very good chance we could see a potential reversal. Otherwise, it is, as you know, down to the downside. But besides that, we're also looking at things like Ethereum here, which we were tracking the ascending fractal here. You can see the ascending fractal. Let me just pull this up here. In the essence of this, you can see as we've been heading higher here, but just recently we started to bounce off this support, and we pretty much said, hey, not only is XRP on a price floor on its bottom support, but it seems like Ethereum is at its price floor on its support. You can see right here as well, with its moving average, with its price floor, with its uptrend here. Everything is screaming reversal back to the upside here. And it goes beyond Ethereum. We also have Bitcoin with a similar pattern here. This is a little bit different though. There is for sure a price floor that we have hit. We have definitely hit some sort of support here. Same exact time as XRP has had 6 days of consolidation. So has Bitcoin here, but we need to figure out whether or not this is going to go up or going to continue in its stair-stepping downwards pattern. And then we're going to look at the S&P 500. Now, before we dive into the technical analysis, I want to let you guys know, I'm sure most of you know this already, but we are doing our crypto coin ticker display giveaway. As you guys can clearly see here, this is the XRP ticker display that I have in all my videos. You can see in the background here. Today is the last and final day to enter the giveaway to win this $130 ticker display completely free. Today's the last day, and tomorrow morning we'll be doing the drawing and see which one of you lucky guys has won. Now, in order to enter the giveaway, you have to do 2 simple things. You have to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and also comment down in the comment section below that you subscribed, as well as XRP giveaway, because I'm going to be doing a random sort generator looking through all the comments, and if it says XRP and XRP giveaway and subscribed, then you will have the chance to win. If it just says subscribed or it just says XRP, it's too late. Now, the way you guys can increase your odds to winning this is in my past 7 videos till last Saturday here. I'm going to be picking one random video of the last 7 and picking a random comment from those. So if you want to increase your odds, go on all my previous videos in the past week and comment on each video. Make sure each video has a comment on it so that you can increase your odds of winning this ticker display, which is super cool. Once we'll do the drawing tomorrow morning, so make sure to watch tomorrow morning's episodes. That's super important to make sure tomorrow's episode is what you watch to make sure if you've won or not. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's video. So guys, as you can see, a quick refresh reveals markets have been pretty much consolidating out ever since I'd say about 5 to 6 days ago. Maybe 5 days ago, we've been flatlined on Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP and BNB and Doge. Most everything has pretty much just been trading sideways here, and you can see XRP is no example of that. You can see, or no exception of that rule here. You can see for the most part, we were tracking a 4-hour ascending fractal here. We were filling in this gap here. As you know, trading on the 4-hour charts is extremely aggressive and very risky here. So we were patiently waiting to see how this would pan out. If we broke through the price floor on the top, or the price ceiling up here, we knew to buy in and trade to the upside here. And also on the bottom support here, we knew if we would break through the price floor, we could buy in and short. And that's exactly what we actually did. We broke through the floor. Once we saw that confirmation, it was an aggressive short, which we took advantage of, which fell to the bottom support here. We got carried by the moving average, which we kind of expected would hold us. And then, as you guys can see, we've now been flatlined out ever since. So it's going to be peculiar to see what exactly is going to happen right now. You can see we've been holding out on the floor here. So we need to see, are we going to reverse to the upside here? Are we going to fall? Who knows? But that's totally cool if you ask me, because at the end of the day, it really just depends on what we break. As I've said before on the channel, trading inside sideways channels is aggressive. So this is an aggressive trade. We are inside something that is ideally aggressive. So you can see the price ceiling. You can see the price floor. We're trading inside of this, as you guys can see. We need to figure out, are we going to stay in here or are we going to be breaking through it? If we trade inside of this, this is going to be aggressive. This is an aggressive trade. However, if we break through the price ceiling, that's when we can get in for a long position. That is a conservative trade, excuse me. If we break through the floor, which we have better odds of doing, and falling down a moving average, that is a conservative trade. So there's lots of movements that are happening right now. We have to be patient and wait it out. Once we get to see that confirmation, then we can do some conservative buys. But for those that want to be impatient or are aggressive, you can trade inside of this sideways channel here. It's totally up to you. But right now we do have a support that we are holding on to. So we need to see kind of where exactly we end up going here. So I'm excited to see where that takes us. But for the time being, we are patiently waiting for that opportunity to arise. Obviously, waiting on Bidfy, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange I like to use here on the channel. Bidfy lets me buy long. Bidfy lets me sell short. Leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you could possibly think of is offered on Bidfy, including, XRP to trade here. You can see the problem zone that's kind of arising here on the XRP chart. On Bidfy's chart, you can see we have the 99, the 25, and the 7-day moving averages, and you can clearly see that we are getting intertwined so much so inside of this, and we are flatlining out over the past couple of hours here. On the 4-hour, you can see the sideways movement here. This is not going to last much longer, and a decision is going to have to be made, whether it's a big break to the upside or a big break to the downside. That's what we're expecting to see happen. Now, obviously, you can make these trades, and my favorite part is not only, it used to be back in the day, you could only kind of buy in for a long position, hoping it would go to the upside here, but now you can take advantage with shorting it just like that to the downside. In case this does decide to dip, we'll be able to buy in. The best part is they offer a demo account, which gives you $100,000 of Monopoly money to test your skills completely free. Like, I don't understand. If you watch my videos and you are subscribed, we got over 4,000 people that watch these videos every day, and you don't have a Bidfy account, then you're kind of missing out. You are missing out. The fact that you can literally trade around risk-free, you got literally nothing to lose. It makes no sense to not play around with this. You have risk-free trading with $100,000 to test your skills on this website before you decide to trade real crypto. You can do every single thing on the Bidfy website here. So make sure to sign up down in the description below. The best part is they're offering free cryptocurrency for you if you do decide to sign up to $28.88, if not even more, by filling out these new user tasks and advanced tasks. So make sure to check this out. They're super easy down in the description below. But with that being said, and moving forward, we have to end today's video with the Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the S&P charts. So it's not just XRP that's hitting a floor here. It's also Ethereum, and it's also Bitcoin here. So it's very peculiar, but my ideal thought, and this goes with everything I just said for XRP, applies itself to Ethereum and Bitcoin here. We have a floor right here. We have an uptrend right here in blue. We have a floor in green. We have a moving average in green and red. We are withholding the price of this support here. After seeing a major dump on Ethereum here, probably not going to be going lower. From its top, we fell 10% practically here. And now you can see we have found the bottom support. As history has repeated itself, we have a floor. This is the floor. So if we can hold out on this, there's a good chance of a reversal to come. That's what we're paying attention to. Now, we do have a price ceiling at 1,900 points here. So this is more of a moderate trade, but if we can close the daily above this here, it's a moderate trade. Keep that in mind, not an aggressive one. Then I would be buying in for a long to the upside here, as that's where I expect to see this move to. We break through the floor, I'd be shocked, but that would be the short opportunity. But ideally, I very much so expect this to take place on Ethereum. And then wrapping things up with Bitcoin here, which is a bit odd, but you can see we broke through our floor here, and we actually have a short still open on here. And there's a chance we could be breaking lower. There's also a chance we could be breaking higher. I literally have no idea. I'm just letting you guys know that. We're practically flatlined out. We're at 44 on the RSI, plenty of room to go either way. But you can see the new stair-stepping pattern, which typically is what Bitcoin likes to do, and there's a chance this could continue to break downwards here. So like I said, we already have a short open once we confirm closure here. So we're waiting for this to make a decision. If we break up, different story, we'll continue to trade that, but if we break down, we'll be in profits here. We do have a stop loss anyway, But if we do decide to break down, we'll be in it to make a little bit of profit here. But it's very peculiar. Again, stair-stepping pattern is typical for Bitcoin's movements here. So there's a good chance it's going to continue to dip. Now, as for the S&P 500, which I just can't fathom what the heck is going on here, continuing to head up higher again. I'm patiently waiting for us to dip lower here so that we can head up higher in the future. It doesn't seem like it wants to do that, but just anticipate a drop to come very soon. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.